Trader Joe's.
There's laptops, to do math on.
You're getting recorded. Hi, everyone.
Hi.
Hello. So I'm here with my class today. We've got Ella and Siraj and Ryan and Maggie and David and Megan and Ethan
Again.
and
Paola.
Evelyn and Nazri and Harlow and Paola. So they're all hanging out with me today.
Yeah, Dad.
And we're at pickup. And Ethan's gonna go now.
No.
I miss you. But we're going to talk to you about how to do 696 divided by 6. So first we're going to take our dividend right here and we're going to draw it in our hundreds, tens, and ones chart. So in 696, how many hundreds do we have?
6.
All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many tens do we have?
9.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And how many ones do we have?
6.
Wait, let's raise our hands.
6.
Megan?
6.
6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Great. That's 696, right? So can someone tell me what we're doing when we're dividing it by 6? What are we actually doing? What's happening when we divide it by 6? Evelyn?
We have to make groups of 6.
You have to make groups of 6, right? So we're saying how many groups of 6 can we make out of 696? So we can do it that way, or we can make equal groups, but I want to do it the way Evelyn said today, okay? So you guys are kind of learning a new way to do it, okay? So if we look at our hundreds, and we have, how many hundreds we have? We have 6. How many groups of 6 can I make?
1.
Let's circle it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's one group of 6, right? Okay. So we've made one group of 6, so I'm going to put it over here. Out of my 600s, I've made one group of 6. So, 6 times 1 is how many? 6. So do I have any hundreds left over? No. So I can write 0. And now I've got to deal with my 10s. So I got to bring down my 9 tens. So if I have 9 tens, how many groups of 6 can I make?
1.
1. Let's circle it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I made one group of 6. So how much is one group of 6 equal to? How much is 6?
6.
Good. So how many tens are left over? 3. And can I make a group of 6 with those 3 tens? No. So I've got to, who can raise their hand and tell me what do I have to do? Ryan, what do I have to do?
So you have to bring down the 6.
What am I doing when I bring... Sorry, friends, we had a technical problem there. So what I was asking was, I just asked what I can do with these tens, and I was told by my friend Ryan that I need to bring down the 6. And then I asked, but what does that mean? What's actually happening?
You have to divide 36 into 6 groups.
I have to divide 36 into 6 groups or into groups of
6.
But can I do that when they're in tens like that? No. So what do I have to do to those tens? What do I have to do to those tens, Evelyn?
Regroup.
Oh, what does that mean? What can I trade this? What can I regroup this as? 10 tens? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, can I do the same thing for this?
Yeah.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And do I have to do the same thing for this one?
Yeah.
So we have
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Great job, guys. So now
36.
I have 36 ones, right? So if I have 36 ones, do you guys know, because we know our 6 facts really well, do you know how, raising our hands, do we know how many groups of 6 we can make from 36? Ella?
6.
6. So we have, what's 6 groups of 6?
36.
36. So do we have any left over?
No.
Okay, now just to prove to us that it works, let's circle our groups of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Did I do that right?
Okay.
Okay, I'm glad I have lots of people helping me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
No, you got 1.
Oh, that's 5. Sorry. Thanks. I'm so glad you're helping me. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And is that, look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So that's 6 groups of 6. Thanks so much for helping me out, you guys. We just did a long division problem. 696 divided into groups of 6 gives us 116 groups of 6. Now, does anyone know how we can check our answer? Make sure that we're right. How can I check my answer so that I can make sure that I'm right? Ryan?
You can do 116 times 6.
116 times 6 is what he told me I could do. All right, guys, 6 times 6? 36. Okay, so that is 6 ones and 3 tens. 6 times 1 10? 6 plus 3 more?
9.
And 6 times 600?
6.
Did we get what we were supposed to? Did we get 686? Yeah, so we know that we can say, we mostly know, unless we made a lot of mistakes, which I know we didn't because we were all working together, that we did that correctly. So should we give everyone a challenge to do at home?
Yeah.
Okay, think of a 3-digit number for me. Raise your hand if you have it. 3-digit number to challenge our friends at home. What do you think, Paola?
1,045.
Wait, is 1,045 a 3-digit
Wait, no,
number?
145.
145? Okay, so we challenge you to do 145 divided by
7.
Do we get our way by yelling at the teacher? Ella?
7.
By 7? 7s are still kind of hard for me. Let's do divided by
5.
Let's do 5. So that is your challenge to come back to school with that and get a
Teacher high five.
All right. Okay, let's tell them to have a great night at home. Okay, ready?
Can we watch the video?
Set, go. Have a great night at home.
Bye.
Megan's leaving.
And a V.
Uh-oh.
What happened?